We are Team 21, the Airport Needs Design Challenge with Cingel, Jared Langdon, Bryce, Ruth Maki, and Douglas Pedersen. Our advisor is Dr. Paul Van Susante. The Airport Cooperative Research Program challenged us to create a new innovative idea to help improve airports across the nations in various ways, including airport operations and maintenance, runway safety, incursions and excursions, airport environmental interactions, and airport management and planning. We chose to go with airport environmental interactions due to the team's love of helping the environment. Currently, small airports, those with 2 or less commercial flights a day, around the nation allow the runoff of their de-icing fluid to enter the local environment. This causes negative environmental impacts by reducing the amount of available oxygen in the water and suffocating the local marine species. Our goal is to mitigate the environmental impact of glycol by reducing the amount of glycol released into the environment while allowing the airports to use existing equipment. We also are striving to provide a solution to the airports that is convenient as possible, including turning a profit on the recycling of glycol and minimizing the amount of time and resources needed for collection. Our solution to this problem is a glycol collection cart, which is designed to catch glycol after it hits the airplane wing. It should be noted that, although the design itself is considered complete, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, it became necessary to transition as many critical engineering stages to the digital world as possible. A few of these stages, such as prototype manufacture and physical testing, were unable to be completed. Some portions of the prototype manufacturing were performed beforehand, however, a full prototype was never finished. The design of the glycol collection cart is based on an 18-foot trailer with the glycol collection area welded on top. Inside of this area are 2 sheets of steel slanted toward the center front into a spigot for easy drainage. On top of this collection area is a backboard, which is to minimize the amount of glycol that splashes out or misses the cart. The entire inside of the backboard and collection area is lined with sealed canvas to minimize impact and splashing from the initial spray. The initial spray is a major area of waste in the de-icing process. The hose is often stiff from the cold, so in order to heat it, the glycol is currently sprayed onto the ground until it heats back up, wasting upwards of 40 gallons per minute. To mitigate this, a large piece of canvas-styled fabric with strips cut into it will be hung from the top, leading into the collection area. The glycol collection cart will have hitches on both sides, which will allow a truck or other vehicle to tow the cart to both wings of the aircraft easily and smoothly. As seen in the animation, this can work easily with the current de-icing process using equipment that is likely already on site. The cart will have an estimated material cost of $6,900. Assuming that the buyback rate is between 3% and 10% of the initial cost of the de-icing fluid, the cart can pay for itself in just 2 years. In addition to the cost benefit, they will also become more environmentally friendly while using their existing equipment. Our next steps are having another team use the materials we already purchased to complete the prototype and build testing. This will determine the actual percentage of glycol the cart can collect. We would like to thank our advisor, Dr. Paul Van Susante, acting customer Bob DeYoung, and the Houghton County Memorial Airport staff for allowing us the opportunity to watch a de-icing in real time.